Kia ora all. This video today is going to look at setting up a set of relationship data so that we can create a scatter plot in NZgrapher. So what I'm going to look at today is the relationship between the age of the current, at this time, All Blacks and the number of caps or the number of games they have played. So how I'm going to set this up is in my Google Sheet. I am going to put in two columns. One will be their age and the other will be caps or the number of games they've played. Okay. It's not necessary to actually put in here who each player is, so we will just get that data from the information on the right to put into our presentation or assessment later. So all I'm looking for is age. So I can see there that Dane Coles is 31 and he has played 56 games for the All Blacks. Liam Coltham is 28 and he has played 3 games. So we will just go through every player and do this. So I'm just going to stop the video there and I'll come back to you. Okay, so now all the data is in for the current All Blacks. So you can see here I've put everything in, and what I can then do next. This is not necessary for the assessment, but just something to show you. If I want to find some of the averages, so say I want to find the mean. Let's just write it out the side here. I want to find the mean for age. Let's look for the median and the mode as well. What I can then do is type in here equals and the mean, also known as the average. So if I just type in average, click on that, and then I click and drag down to the bottom there, press enter, and it will automatically find the average age for you. Similarly with the median, if I press equals and type in median, I can then find the median age by simply clicking and dragging, press enter, and it will find the median age of all the All Blacks. And then same with mode, press equals mode, click on it, click on the first piece of data there, drag down. Once we're at the bottom, hit enter, and it will give us the mode. You can also do the same for the number of caps that a player has had, just the same, pressing in equals and either average, median, or mode. If you want to see how to put this data into NZgrapher, please search and look up my next video. Thank you.